Is it worth reconciling a toxic relationship? Women require more time to respond to this question. Decision-making depends on a variety of factors around your toxic relationship, with excessive levels you suffered, and the outcome you envision for your future. How does a toxic relationship affect you? Physical abuse is involved in, such as violence, abuse or harassment, that you can deal with immediately. But emotional abuse is much more subtle. It is a mind game which is hard to see by naked eyes. Paying close attention to your partner, using emotional connection to control your behavior. It weakens vitality in your life slowly. This will gnaw away at your heart a little bit every day, eventually remaining an empty hole with vulnerability. It prevents you from recognizing your innate power. It makes you doubt yourself, which damages self-esteem and drains energy. It doesn't permit you to be fully alive with true purpose in life. Nothing makes sense anymore to identify. Is it worth reconciling a toxic relationship? You should watch more. Characteristics of a toxic relationship. In the previous video, it takes a lot of effort to install security barriers instinctively, which come from the inner self.
Before watching next, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to be the first to see the next videos.
Can toxic relationships be fixed? We think that you are gonna need to save yourself first at all costs. Here are some reasons to advise you to break it off with them instead of maintaining. Number 1. Because a bad person cannot change their personality overnight. It is in blood and affected by the environment or their parents as a child. Some cases can fix a bad relationship, but it is rarely and not sure to be successful. Number 2. Boil the ocean to invest your time and effort, in the belief that they change into a new person in a short time. Number 3. The problem is that it's not as easy to identify the toxicity when it comes to a person. So cut off contact for a while, to let you both take a rest to change perspective. Number 4. If he really loves you, he will accept the toxicity of him. He needs to be mature enough to engage in self-reflection and see what kind of positive changes he should do after breakup. Number 5. After a time of healing you both, he will come back with a healthy attitude and ready to rebuild something better than now. At that time, you are ready for a go with the flow love, so that everything comes easily. Mentioned above, you identify excessive levels you suffered. Once more, imagine moments that make you blissful in a romantic relationship. And are you amped for that? In comparison with the bad things you suffered, only you know the answer correctly. Is it worth reconciling a toxic relationship? Please comment on what you think.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to get more value.